There's no question that Keystone Coleman is making the most popular and affordable travel trailers in America. What may surprise you is that they're raising the bar on what RVers can expect. So let's go behind the scenes to see what happens when one of America's most iconic brands falls into the hands of one of its most trusted RV manufacturers. When Keystone started manufacturing Coleman campers in 2024, they wanted to keep a few staples of America's best-selling RV line, namely their two industry favorite floor plans, the 17B and 17R. But almost everything else about this affordable brand was about to undergo a complete makeover. Keystone reimagined Coleman from the ground up, introducing all new brand lines, floor plans, designs, color schemes, and more, incorporating never-before-seen features into mid- and entry-level campers. The entire philosophy shifted to address one central question. How could some of the most affordable travel trailers in the industry provide an unparalleled campground experience? Well, Keystone assembled a team of industry veterans and product experts who raised every detail of these new designs and spent countless hours tweaking and enhancing them without compromising what Coleman RVs might be best known for. And that is industry-leading affordability. The Keystone Coleman travel trailer lineup currently includes 18 models across 4 brands, all assembled in 3 northern Indiana facilities with approximately 300,000 square footage. Those numbers might not mean much at first glance, but that relatively low number of floor plans allows Keystone to give these 4 brands more specialized attention than what we've come to expect from some of their lightweight competitors. The 4 brands are separated by construction type. Coleman and Coleman Lantern offer conventional trailer construction with wood framing and aluminum siding, while Coleman Light and Coleman Legacy boast aluminum framing with laminate sidewalls. The facility breakdown helps separate manufacturing single and double axle trailers in the conventional and laminate sidewall designs. To be clear, this precise production process isn't new. Keystone has perfected it over nearly 3 decades. Their expertise is now applied to Coleman travel trailers along with a simple philosophy: design RVs based on the features and price points customers want and need. Now let's take a closer look at how that unfolds. At Keystone, product development puts the engineers, product managers, and designers in the customer's shoes. In the 17B and 17R, for example, modifications popular among previous owners helped create informed improvements like added storage, upgraded heating and cooling systems, ball-bearing drawers, tankless water heaters, and more. From the price tag on the lot to the site tag at the campground, Coleman RV designs are driven by objectives taken from real customer experiences. These designers experienced them too, as each spent time camping with their families to prototype these very models. So what are those objectives? Well, to make them more affordable, easier to tow, and higher in quality, and add upgrades like residential appliances, taller ceilings, best-in-class storage, solid surface countertops, and more efficient climate control systems. Let's explore how Keystone achieves these customer-driven objectives with their builds, starting with the Coleman and Coleman Lantern lines. First, Keystone solved the need for a lighter RV by reducing the overall length while keeping the interiors feeling open and expansive. In the case of these double-axle Colemans, that meant 8-foot wide interiors while keeping most of the floor plans under 30 foot. On the shortened chassis, they incorporate full outriggers for additional support, an improved Lippert step system, and most importantly, color-coded wiring for easy troubleshooting and solar prep. With inverted outlets, you already have added usability if you choose an upgraded Keystone solar package, eliminating the need to rewire outlets like in many competing models. You get the idea, right? Start with what the customer needs and values and build from there. Other challenges included things like designing for a 16 cubic foot refrigerator in a mid-level conventional travel trailer, which meant increasing the Coleman Lantern's interior height to 82 inches. In the Coleman lineup, the 78-inch ceilings allow for a far improved shower experience with more headroom. That increased height across all Coleman lines is also partly responsible for the examples of superior storage you'll find. Across all Coleman models, Keystone's in-house cabinetry and carpentry departments deliver best-in-class storage, including dinette storage with guided drawers, kitchen drawers with full-height sidewalls, upgraded hardware, and fully finished pass-through compartments. Finally, while the single and double axle Coleman models elevate the experience of what you can expect from an entry-level travel trailer, some of the additional upgrades seen when customers level up to the Lantern include things like solid surface countertops, standard 70 by 80 inch king size bed, 30 by 40 inch shower, and a 50 to 60 inch flat screen TV. It's honestly a remarkable offering in this conventional built segment and at this price point. But with a footprint as large and commanding as Keystone's, they can more economically source the raw materials, appliances, hardware, and components for their RVs, directly impacting the price on the lot and benefiting prospective buyers. The trend continues as we look at the sleeker Coleman models, Coleman Light and Coleman Legacy. On the laminate side, the Coleman Light and Coleman Legacy lineups offer additional lightweight floor plans with numerous construction and feature benefits. With aluminum frames, Luan walls, and Keystone's water-resistant hyperdeck flooring, the Light and Legacy models feature similar benefits as the Coleman and Lantern, but with enhanced construction. Meanwhile, Coleman Light offers an even lighter option than its Coleman counterpart, with a robust yet lightweight floor, a lighter non-walkable roof, and enhanced features like upgraded countertops, a smooth aluminum front cap, and an efficient roof-mounted air conditioner. Still, the most significant difference is their laminate sidewall construction, which offers better insulation, aesthetics, and durability, all at a lighter weight. And with Keystone, their laminates have an arguable advantage given their unique testing process. The laminate sidewalls found on the Light and Legacy lines are made in Keystone's 5.7-acre state-of-the-art enclosed lamination facility, where Luan walls undergo a unique curing and resting process before rigorous testing. Once assembled, roof, walls, interior, all Colemans undergo a special inspection by their team of quality control specialists who operate under a slightly different order than you might expect. Even quality control is a customer service department here at Keystone, where the QC agents actually report to the sales teams. This direct line of accountability means that each employee has a vested interest in identifying potential errors before they leave the facility. All RVs receive an all systems check, which is a pre-delivery inspection process where gauges, freshwater tanks, and other systems are inspected. Plus, the product manager, sales manager, and general manager perform weekly audits on select units to ensure the standards are upkept. Keystone pulled out all the stops when given the chance to represent America's best-selling RV brand. Their comprehensive overall approach has led to the development of exciting, feature-rich models, honestly the likes of which we just haven't seen in these segments before. From conventional campers that pack an enriched camping experience into a lighter, more affordable RV, to premier laminate trailers that reset the expectation of what's possible at that price point, there's something exciting and surprising at every turn. I'm Ian Baker, and thank you for watching. Let us know your questions about the RV manufacturing process, and like and subscribe for notifications on future RV manufacturing tours.